Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Backup photos, contacts, and any app data to cloud or computer so you can restore later. Make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruptions, and remove an SD card or SIM if required. Once done, sign out of key accounts and disable Device Administrator apps that block resets. This prevents activation locks. Now open Settings and move directly to the System or Security entry to begin the reset flow. You now navigate deeper into the settings to reach the reset controls. Tap System or General Management, then choose Reset Options or Backup and Reset. These menu names vary by manufacturer but serve the same purpose. Once there, review available reset types, erase all data, reset network settings, or reset app preferences, and select Erase All Data, Factory Reset, for a full wipe. Make sure to confirm you've removed any account locks, and read the summary of erased items before continuing. Finish by confirming the factory reset. Tap Erase All or Reset Phone and enter your PIN or password when prompted to authorize the action. The device will reboot, display a progress screen while it erases internal storage, then restart into the initial setup assistant. Follow on-screen prompts to restore backups. If the device fails to reset or gets stuck, make sure to try recovery mode to perform a wipe cache/data, or connect to the manufacturer's recovery tools. Contact OEM support if hardware or locked accounts block completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.